Hi, I'm DJ Sebastian and welcome to the Odeon venue for the London premiere of Coming From Insanity starring Gabriel Afolayan.
The story, was not the usual, not the norm, and I'm always attracted to something special, and that's what the script is all about. It's special.
I'm here to support my brother Gabriel and the whole team for the movie Insanity.
I'll be expecting to be entertained and also to see, everything that's made this story travel far and wide and why it is now in the UK. I'm sure there's something very special about it.
I wrote the movie because Kosi's story is such an important one. Child trafficking in Nigeria is a really big problem, and it's still happening till today. So I wanted to shine a little bit of light on that.
I'm expecting a suspense-filled movie, great actors in it, so I can't wait to see it.
People coming here tonight has not seen a film like this before, so they should expect the extraordinary. They should expect something special. They should expect performances by great Nollywood actors, and they should expect to be entertained.
The very opening line of the film kind of just suggests this film kind of was dedicated to young kids, some trafficked, some used for different reasons into Nigeria. Was that the main purpose of this?
Absolutely. We wanted to, bring an issue that's really prevalent in West Africa. I mean, I'm sure everybody here probably knows somebody that had a house help at some point growing up or even now. So this is a genius child that got trafficked across, that could have become maybe a professor or a genius at some company. But just to let people know, some of these things do happen, so we need to kind of address that issue, and I hope, the government and whoever else kind of takes notice and do something about it.
How did this journey start first between both of you?
I think it started on Facebook, actually. Yeah. There was a show that I've been working on for a while, and I just posted it, and he saw it. It wasn't into film or media at the time. He saw the trailer and he just called me up like, yo, I like what you're doing. How can we take this to the next level?
I've seen a lot of work, but this is looking like the capo di tutti of your work. Tell us about your journey into this.
Oh yeah, I've been friends with Akin for close to 10 years too. So he's a believer of what I do. So he spoke to me about this at a friend's place, and I said, I'm attracted to good stories, so just give it to me. Let me see what this is all about. I read it and I was super impressed. This guy can write. He can write. You can feel the lines, right? Yeah. So I believe the name the instant we hooked up on this whole thing, and I said, okay, fine.
Your toughest challenge on set to date?
Getting into character, and I'm playing the Togolese now, not the Nigerian, so there are times when we go off, and kudos to him bringing me back on track. So it was like a tug of war, but at the end of the day we were able to crack something. Okay.
Beautiful, brilliant, well written.
It was amazing. It was really, really good. The lead act was superb.
Kudos. It's the cast was wonderful. The whole writing was beautiful. The setup was all awesome.
It's a very beautiful movie. It's a movie that you need to watch. So unpredictable. I love it. We all had a very good time.
From start to finish, it was awesome.
Very, very captivating. You didn't know what was going to happen next.
I love the cinematography, and I thought, wow. When I started watching it, the storyline was it blew me away.
I've just seen one of the best coming from Nigeria.